How to add Capital One card to Apple Pay. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your Capital One credit or debit card to Apple Pay. This way you can make secure contactless payments using your iPhone, Apple Watch or other Apple devices. So let's jump right in. First, grab your iPhone and open the Wallet app. If you don't have the app on your home screen, swipe down and search for Wallet. Once you're in the Wallet app, look for the plus button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on it to start the process of adding your Capital One card. You'll now see a few options, so select credit or debit card to add your Capital One card to Apple Pay. Next, you can either use your iPhone's camera to scan your Capital One card, or you can manually enter the card details like the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering your card details, you may be asked to verify your Capital One card. So you'll either receive a verification code via text or email, or you may need to sign in to your Capital One account. So complete the verification process to add your card. Once your card is verified, it's officially added to Apple Pay, so you can now use your iPhone or other Apple devices to make secure payments in stores, apps, and online. And that's it. Your Capital One card is now added to Apple Pay and you're ready to make contactless payments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.